What's up, guys? Shabba here, back with another awesome video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about our new update on the builder. Okay, guys, like that being said, let's get started. As you can see, I'm here at quackbuilder.com and I log into the builder, and this is where we build our site. Like, this is where we make all our changes that we want to make on our site. Okay, and today I'm going to be, you know, showing you guys awesome new features now available for you to use on the builder. The booking will be available soon, and I will make videos as soon as that becomes available. I will check with the team and see when that's gonna be available for you guys to start to use. Okay, like that being said, guys, let's get started um, with this brand new features. Okay, alright, guys, as you can see right here, I'm logged into the builder and I can make all the changes that I want. But over here, if I click pages right here, and if I scroll all the way down, you see we have a new folder. It called system folder. And basically, what the system folder is a bunch of pages that allow you to customize the system pages of your website. Okay, so like, say for instance, not enough permission, page protected, members detail, a members login slash registration page. You can now customize all the system pages to the way you like it. Okay, the store product page, all of them you can customize now. So I'm just gonna click this page to give you an example, and this is the members slash login page, and as you can see right now, it customize because I customize it to the way I want it. Okay, so anyone come to sign up to quapbuilder.com, they will now directed to this page, and as you can see, I have a test email in there already. Okay, so how do you use this awesome features? Let me show you exactly how you can use these awesome features to generate more leads and sales for your business. Okay, all right, so like that being said, guys, let me just give you a quick run through of how you can use these features to maximize your sales dramatically. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going to come over to page and I'm just going to add a new page. You can just add a new page because you're going to customize it um, and with the system with the system page registration, but you're gonna customize it the way you want it, and then you're gonna set that one as default. So whenever time someone try to sign up to your website, they see that page instead of the default basic page. Okay, so all right, let's get started, guys. So if I click pages, I can choose any one of these, um, and I can modify any pages, any one of these pages. But I'm gonna make a registration page. So let me see if I go home. I just needed a normal page, not too big. I just need products. Let me see something. Okay. I'm just looking for just a regular page, nothing too big, guys, because I'm not gonna be using that much space for the registration form. Okay, so if I go through one, let's see this one, or this one. Okay, guys, so I just gonna use this one, so I'm just gonna select it, and I'm just gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna say sign up now, and I'm just gonna put an N at the end, so sign up now. I'll just do this so I know the page differently, but you can name it whatever you want. Okay, and I'm just gonna add, and this is our new page, and most of this we're not gonna use. I'm gonna remove most of these, like this block right here. I'm gonna remove that. um, I'm gonna remove the button, and I'm gonna remove let me see, scroll down. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove this block as well, and this one, and this one. Okay, guys, so basically I just leave with just this um, just these information. Okay, and all because I don't need that much to make a registration page, because the goal is to get the customers to put their information in the form, so they can sign up or register for whatever you want them to register for. Okay, so we got this. I'm just gonna customize this a little bit and say, no, say, I'm just gonna say create your, okay, so I'm just gonna say create your perfect website today. um, I'm just gonna say please, so it's gonna say fill instead of full, and I'm just gonna save my progress that I'm making, and I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of space out of that, and then I'm just gonna click the add widget. Okay, guys, so basically I'm just gonna use the widget to created that farm. Okay, so when time they register, they sign up, they're gonna get instant access to the builder. Okay, so they can create their website. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna click that little plus right there, and I'm gonna scroll down, and as you can see we have some new widget. That goes to the system file, the registration, um, um, that goes to the registration um, page. Like, let me give you an example. Um, So if I go here and say system, so this right here that say members login / registration, it's got, this is the widget that we use. Oops, I'm just gonna say stay and save, so I'm just gonna save it real quick. um, and then I'm gonna click this right here and go back to the system. So this right here, if you click it, this is the form that we're making right here. See, say registered, and if already have an account, you can click login, and then it will change and allow you to log in. So basically this is what we're making with the widget. Okay, so that's now available for you as a widget to use um, to create a, membership login for your website. Okay, and you can do so by customize your page and just embed that widget inside of that page, and allow customer to register to your website like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back, and I'm just gonna go back to the page that I was making, and it's right there. And then I'm just gonna click the widget, and right here that is say build a login / register, I'm just gonna grab that, and I'm just gonna throw it right there. And as you can see, now we have the farm. So what kind of page we making? A sign up page, right? So they can register first. So I'm just gonna click this and say register, and it's gonna change from login to register. And you can show a custom URL afterward, like where you want them to go after they register to your builder. Okay, so I'm just gonna click right there and said I need they go to the um, just say the price page after they register, and then they will get access to the builder. So I'll say price page and then select it, and then right, you got another option that say show custom page after login. This is right here that we already choose the price page, and it say add new members to group. You can do so if you have a, if you create a group in your CRM. You can add, them to specific group, or you can just leave it out as default if you don't want to. Okay, you can add tags, so for instance you can say build a user. Okay, so it's a builder user, so when they register, they get an access to the builder, so build a user. Okay, um, additional registration field, you can add more fields such as country. um, you can say website if you want them to provide you with a website. You can say company, country, zip, postal code. You can say state, city, address, phone number. It's all up to you what kind of information you want. You can just add it in right there. Okay, and then if I click off of it, you're gonna see all of it is right there. And if I click save right there, all I need to do is just customize this some more, let it look a little bit more user friendly, look a little bit more professional and polished. So I'm just gonna come up here, and I'm just gonna try to change this to 2 blocks and see what happens. Not too good, so I'm just gonna go 3 blocks, and I'm gonna pull this over in the middle, and this one as well. I'm gonna pull everything in the middle so it's all middle up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna change the font, not the size of this. Let me see if I can do 13. Oops, let me see, 24. I say 32. Whoops. You know what? Let me make it ch1. Let me put it to open sans, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the space out. Put a little bit back in like that. 36, 48. Alright, that's not too bad. And I'm just gonna pull this out a little bit so it look more attractive. I'm just gonna pull this side out a little bit too, see what happened. Nope. I think like this is good, and I'm just gonna try to center this and see. Perfect. Alright, so this is the farm right here, and I can modify this a little bit more. I'm just gonna change the color of the block right here because it's just too plain, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of color into it and see what happens. I like this blue, so I'm just gonna add that blue and let it stand out. Okay, and like when that stand out, I'm just gonna add another. I can add a picture, or I can add. I'm just gonna add this picture and see. Whoops, not that one. This picture for now and see. Um, right now I'm everything repeat. I'm just gonna change that. Cover. Whoops, I don't need overlay. I'm just gonna say cover area. Yep, that's what it is. And as you can see now, it look very attractive. It look way more attractive. And if I pull this down a little bit, so it can be off of that, so it can stand alone, you can pull it down a little bit more. Yep. And as you can see right there, we have our registration page right there. I'm just gonna delete this because our goal is to get them to fill out the form, to focus on the farm. So we want to take all that distraction away so they can focus on the farm right there. And I'm just gonna click save. And this is how you created a registration form for your builder. Okay, and you can play around with the button. If you don't want the button to be black, you can say okay, I just need to change the button and say I need the button to be that color green. What if it's green? Yes, and that blue kind of color. And yeah, and then as you can see, you can customize everything, you know, just the way you want it. You can save your changes, and if I view it like this, preview, you can see that it looks awesome, it looks beautiful, and it's professionally done. And if I see, I already have a test email in there, and if I just say Shavar, if I say Shavar and I say United States, say Maryland for that, and I say I am not a robot. Did I select the where do I want it to go? Yeah, I select the price page. So if I, you know, fill this form out and then I click submit, it's gonna say this email already exists because I already have that email in there. But if I say, if I put that test email, then I have the same information, Maryland. Then I say I am not a robot. I'm just changing the email and the information so it doesn't recognize me, said I am the same person. And then if I click you know what, let me change the name and say y, and then I say I'm not a robot, submit, it will then created my account and take me to the price page. After that, after the price page, after that and I choose my plan, it will take me to another page, say I should start to creating my website. Okay, so that's how easy it is, guys, to use the registration form and to generate more leads and sale for your business. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you click the like and subscribe to this channel. Click turn the post notification bell on so you'll be the first to know when I release a new video. And please like and share this video, comment if you want, and let me know what else you need me to make a video about, what other topic you want me to make a video about, and I will definitely do so. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.